Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at question number 27. The U.S. Census Bureau would like to estimate the average square footage of a new single home with a 95% confidence interval and a margin of error of 200 plus or minus 200 square feet. And then the standard deviation is 850 square feet. And we are asked to find the required sample size. So if you look on your proctored exam formula sheet, this is the formula for the sample size needed to estimate a population mean. So this is the formula we're going to use. So let's go back and let's work this and plug in all the information. So N equals the z-score for the confidence interval squared, and then the standard deviation squared over the margin of error squared. So the z-score for 95% confidence interval, if you just scroll down a little bit on your formula sheet, the z-score would be 1.96 for the 95% confidence interval. So we will plug in 1.96, and then the standard deviation is given in the problem. It is 850. And then the margin of error is 200. So if you put this in the calculator, you will get, I believe I got 69.38. So a sample size of 69 would not be enough. We need at least 69.38. Well, we can't have a 0.38 of a person. So we're going to say we need a sample size of 70. And that is how you calculate the sample size given the confidence interval, the standard deviation, and the margin of error. Let me know if you have any questions.